Everybody, it's Danny here with Danny Reviews, and for your cleaning routine, you should definitely have this trio of cleaning cloths from the Pink Stuff. Shout out to the company for gifting me this. I could do this review, but these are absolutely a game changer. Having these three, this one here is going to be for your glass, windows, mirrors, anything like that. This is going to leave that streak-free mirror looking nice and shiny. And again, this is just the material. These are soft, they're vibrant. These are going to all hold up over time as you can wash in the washer and time. Again, these are not going to break down. These are going to be high quality cloths for you to go ahead and use for cleaning. And again, it's also labeled here so you don't get confused. This is the all-purpose, right? You could use this on your counters. You can use this to dust off your electronics. This is super soft, this microfiber. So you can use that one there for all your all-purpose needs. And then for polishing, like your stainless steel, like I'll use this one. This one's even softer. This one you can use on your fridge, any stainless steel, anything you need to polish with the Pink Stuff. You can use this one here too as well to get that nice shine on any surface that has a shiny surface. Let's go ahead and check it out what it looks like on the fridge. I don't know if you can see there, but there are some smudges on my fridge and I have that polishing rag so I can just without even any chemicals. This rag here does a great job taking away those stains from the kids touching the fridge. There's some down here. And again, I'm not even using any chemicals. You could put some stainless steel cleaner and this would even shine up even more, but just to show you how it takes those smudges away. So there you have it. I definitely recommend picking up this trio pack and adding it to your cleaning routine.